An important first step in working with text data is converting it into lowercase. Why do we do this? Well, it helps maintain consistency in our data and our outputs. When we're working with text, be that exploratory analysis or machine learning, we want to ensure words are understood and counted as the same word. Your model might treat a word with a capital letter different from the same word without this capital letter. Lowercasing just ensures conformity. It also makes it easier to continue with additional cleaning of the data, as we don't have to account for different cases. However, do remember that lowercasing can change the meaning of some text. For example, US in capital letters is understood as a country, as opposed to the word us. Let's take a look at how easy it is to convert our data to lowercase using Python's built-in lower function. So let's create our sentence that we want to convert into lowercase. For this example, we'll be using the phrase, her cat's name is Luna. We then convert this into lowercase using the built-in lower function by just running sentence.lower with empty brackets next to it. We can then print this out and see that the words with the capital letters have been correctly converted into lowercase. We can also run this over a list. So here we've got a list of 3 different sentences that we want to convert into lowercase. We'll create our lower sentence list and run x.lower for x in sentence list. We can then print this out and see that everything in our list has been converted into lowercase for us.